today? You did so many things this week. What's Dad doing? I don't know. Hi. And what else did you do? You went to the Met? You went to visit Mommy's friend? You walking around in the big city? Yeah. Always mesmerized with whatever that thing is. What is that?
Are you going to talk for the camera and are you going to give us some smiles right now, huh?
What else did you do? What else did you do?
You were a very busy guy.
This week? You did so much stuff. You had adventures in the city with Scrunch. Oh. Yeah, who's a good boy? You're a happy baby. You're a happy baby. Oh, boop, boop, boop. Doot, 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 doot. Hi. He's a good boy. Yeah.
Look at those smiles. Look at those smiles. Grandmas are going to see these smiles when we put them online, right, little Scrunch? Oh, don't get shy.
He's getting shy.
There you go.
Tell me what else you did.